Hey guys, today we're making a giant butter slime with wood glue and shaving gel and no activator. Stick around. Guys, I'm so excited. I have a brand new slime recipe book coming out October 31st. But you don't have to wait till then. You can go online now and pre-order it. I'll put links in the description box below. To celebrate, I'm giving away 5 copies to viewers this week. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Time for the shaving gel. When you use wood glue, the shaving gel actually acts as the activator. Too cool.
It's just looking, it's like turning it into slime. It's already like turning into slime with that stuff. That's just weird. Ooh, look at it. Look at it, Lily. Look at it. Ow, don't get it on me. Stop. put the butter.
You put the butter in it?
She always wants to put real butter in.
Can you grab it, baby?
Oh, butter's done because he's playing it.
Does it make sound? Let's see if it
Yeah, that one's gonna hurt. Not a topping. I'm not a topping either.
bottom. If you haven't already seen it, be sure to check out our video where we make slime using giant balloons. I'll put a link in the description box.